Hi guys, it's Lynette from Pretty Gets Gritty and we're back with another Crafting Together with All Brands YouTube Hop Challenge. This month we've been tasked with creating a summer vibes themed piece using this lovely mood board. So I think I am going to be making a shabby chic style canvas using the Pretty Ornate stencil, the clocked on die set and my ultimate favourite, the Pretty Gothic Garden die set. Right, let's get into it. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take the Pretty Ornate stencil and the Get Crackle paste, and we're going to swipe it through in a few random areas and leave it to dry naturally. So after the Get Crackle is dry, or whilst it's drying, you can start to add your embellishments. So I've used the large face from the clocked on die set, and here I've got some lace that I've cut up and doing everything with gel medium so you know that it's absolutely stuck perfectly and it's not going to move anywhere. Lovely embellishments stuck down and everything is dry, we can give it all a nice coat of white gesso. Some areas will need a little bit more than others, so the metal embellishments, just to take away their darkness. What I'm doing here is I've taken out some of the Spiced Sun Pretty Amazing paint, and I'm just going to start to lay down a watered amount around the edge of the canvas, and we wet it down a little bit more just to make it more organic so it's not very placed. Lift your canvas up, move it around, and if you get any extra dribbles you don't want, just mop it up with a little bit of tissue paper. So now I'm going to do exactly the same with the pink champagne, let down with a little bit of water, so it's just a little bit easier to apply. The colour is still super bright and gorgeous, and we'll just start to paint that on a few of the embellishments. Letting down the blue champagne, and we will colour the areas that we haven't done with the pink champagne. So we'll just blend that in a little bit, we'll just cross it over on top of the pink paint and it'll just fade in beautifully. So the next part of our canvas is to dry brush, to pull all those different colours and different elements together and give it a really shabby chic sort of feel. So just very lightly take that gesso over the top of all your embellishments. After I've found the placement of my flowers, I will lift them all back up and start to stick them down individually. And when I've got them all stuck down, oh, my balls have escaped. I'll start adding some of glass cabochons to finish off with, the beautiful new pearls that we've got coming, and my favourite white die cuts. finish off our canvas, we have the gritty iced topping, which when it dries, it's like beautiful little droplets of water on all your flowers and embellishments. Well, there we go. There's another YouTube hop with crafting together with all brands completed. I hope you enjoyed my process. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Pretty Gets Gritty channel, and also go and check out all the other links of the guys in the hop this month. Catch you all soon. Bye.